All right, so here we want our average per week over the 4 weeks to be larger than or equal to 280, right? We want it to be at least 280 miles per week for 4 weeks. We're told that he biked 240, then 310, then 320, and which inequality can be used to represent the number of miles X he could bike on the 4th week to meet his goal. So how can we write this expression? Well, let's start with understanding how we can express an average, right? The average is like when you take however many sort of points you have and divide by the number of points. So so in this case you'd have 240. So the sum of the sum of your values over the number of values, right? So 240 plus 310 he biked on the second mile. Second week, plus 320, and now you just do plus X, right? This would be the sum of the miles that he biked over 4 weeks, however much X is, we don't know what it is. And all of this would be over 4, right? This gives you an expression for the average miles per week that he biked over the 4 weeks, because you add them all together and divide by 4. So we know that this value needs to be larger than or equal to 280, right? And from here, it's pretty simple. We see that there's no expression exactly like this in the answer choices, but what we can do is we can multiply both sides by 4 to remove the fraction. So 4 cancels out, so you're just left with 240 plus 310 plus 320 plus X is larger than or equal to 4 times 280, right? And we see that in the answer choices, we see that as answer choice D.